only one name of
This is
this is green dal.
green dal.
Yeah. Bara. Fry it.
And this one?
Is meat.
Meat,
Okay, meat okay?
Buffalo, huh?
Yeah.
Now the last taste, I'm gonna test it with the aloo one.
Hello, good day Nepal, Kathmandu, namaste. Peace from Africa, guys. So we are in Bhaktapur, guys. We are in Bhaktapur, and today we are going to try some local stuff, or you can say the Newari food, guys. So this was highly suggested and people recommended. Hello, sir. Yeah, a lot of people said you should try this out. Like this is used to be famous stuff out here. And behind me is one of the most famous architecture, the tallest temple of Nepal here in Bhaktapur, right? Yeah. So let's just dive inside. Yeah, I think we'll just try it. Newari food. Bara, wow. Bara, wow. Bara, wow. This is Newari food, guys. So let's just dive inside. Hello, madam. Hi. Huh? So I just want to show you how they do it, guys. Oh, that.
Only one name of
This is
green dal.
green dal.
Yeah. Bara. Fry it.
And this one?
Is meat.
Meat,
Okay, meat okay?
Buffalo, huh?
Yeah.
Green dal.
Baru dum.
Potato curry. Okay guys, so I am in Bhaktapur and it's gonna be my first time to try Nepali food. They call it also what?
Bara.
Bara. No, this which tribal food is this?
Newari.
Newari. Okay, just hold the camera like that. Yeah. This is Newari food, guys. So we ordered two type of bara, egg bara and the mix. So the egg bara is only kind of lentils, right? Lentils mixed with egg, fried, okay? Yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. Just hold it.
What's your YouTube channel name? No,
Wow. So far I'm just trying the egg one, guys. This is the egg one. The egg one is nice, but more like the egg dominated the whole taste, guys, of the food. But there is another one here, guys. I will show you. Wait. This is mixed one. Mixed one means it contained buffalo meat, right? Buffalo meat, mixed. Also egg it contained. Yeah, this is a mixture of all, guys. Yeah, and this one price is little different than the egg. It's more costly than the egg one.
50 rupees more.
Yeah, 50 rupees difference. More. The mixed one is so tasty, guys. It's worth the price, and that's why it's costly. Like it's so thick, and I just feel like I'm eating a burger, something like that. The taste is like tasting like burger also, but it's okay. It's not that bad. It's more tastier than the egg I love it. I love this one, guys. Now the last taste, I'm gonna taste it with the aloo one. Aloo is a little spicy, but the taste is nice, guys. I just love it, and it is so nice. I love the food, guys. Wait. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. I'm from Africa, South Sudan. Yeah. Okay, bye.
Welcome to Nepal.
Thank you, sir.
Next time come back.
Okay.
Yeah, you will come.
My friends will see this video and they will come here.
उसको साथी आयो भन्यो
साथी आयो भने आउँछन् हजुर
भाषा बुझ्दैन गर्नु जान्दैन म यहाँ के गर्नु
त्यही त
र सम्झाइदिनु नि धन्यवाद छ है
थ्याङ्क
Okay.
यू सी थ्याङ्क
धन्यवाद।
एभ्री डे वेलकम
Thank you.
यङ
Dhanyabad.
बाई गुड
Bye. Okay, thank you. See the gate, guys.
Yeah. I'm still taller than the gate, guys. So we are done. That was Newari food, guys. It's nice, guys. It's tasty. I like it. I like the mixed one, mixed with the buffalo meat. Yeah. Let's go. Goodbye. Tell me what else to try.